Hey guys, today I'm doing a Vision of Confluence gun review. It is fire damage and it has 3 different scopes: red dot, sure shot, and ranged lens. It's going to be shot in full auto when you get this upgrade. You can upgrade the damage, and there's 3 different other upgrades right here. You can either get freaking faster aiming, faster switching weapons. You move quicker, or you get lower recoil, make your stability perfect. You get maximum ammo. That means like a couple more bullets, and then you get the Zen motion. That causes damage with this weapon, increases its stabilization. And then the rest of it's just pretty much weapon upgrades, except this is Oracle Disruptor, in which the weapon is in the Vault of Glass is very useful because you can shoot the oracles and you can kill them easier. And the oracles are red at Atheon and yellow at Templar. This gun right now is currently at 248, but it can go up to 300 attack damage. These are 2 main upgrades right here: the motion and the full auto. And this is action. And this is the end of my gun review.